Alright, it's time for the 3-minute mob. First, we're going to do a chest opener. Clasp your hands behind your back, draw down the midline, and breathe right into the chest. Every time you exhale, try and reach back and down a little bit farther, squeezing the shoulder blades back together, and again drawing down the midline. That's 3 breaths. Next, we're going to go into side openers. Tilt over, take a big breath into your side, exhale, reach a little bit further. Second one, exhale, reach a little bit further. Third breath, exhale, reach a little bit further. Same exact thing on the other side. 3 breaths, arms overhead. Exhale, reach a little bit further. Big breath into the side, exhale, reach a little bit further. Great. Next one, we're going to go into a Cobra position, stretching that frontal fascial plane. Take a big breath into the belly. Exhale, try and squeeze the shoulder blades a little bit further back, looking up. Getting her back a little bit further. That's 3 breaths. Next one, we're going to do a little bit of hamstring PNF. Chest in, arms out, big breath. Exhale, chin down, and press firmly with your legs into the floor. After about 10 seconds, wiggle, 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 shake, shake, shake. And again, chest in, arms out, big breath. Exhale, reach a little bit further. Press, 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 press into the ground, nice and firmly. Wiggle, 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 shake, shake, shake. Last one, toes up, chest in, arms out, big breath. Tuck the chin down and press, 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 nice and firm. After this, same thing, wiggle, 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 shake, shake, shake. And we're going to go into a side lying position. Bring the heel to the bum as close as you can. Press with your leg back into your hand about 10 seconds. This is quadricep PNF. This does a good stretch on the hip flexor and the quadricep. Again, 3 times, 10 seconds each. And you guessed it, we're going to go into the other position. Get the other leg, bring the heel back as close as you can to the bum, grab it, and press back into your hand once you're at end range. Once you feel a good stretch. You want to press firmly about anywhere from 20% to 100%. You don't want it to be uncomfortable, you just want to feel like a good stretch, and you want to feel strong during it. After we do that, wiggle, 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 we're going to go into Adductor PNF stretch. Into a butterfly position, press the elbows into the legs and squeeze the legs back into the elbows. Same thing, after about 10 seconds, wiggle, wiggle, shake, shake, shake. Back into the butterfly position, elbows pressing in and down, pulling those toes up towards you and squeezing the legs back into the elbows, nice and firmly. And as with all the PNF stretching, we want to do about 3 times, about 10 seconds each. Pressing nice and firmly back into our elbows.